reality that's often overlooked in informal economies is that they run on small, frequent payments, micropayments. And this is the reason why they often run using cash. However, the elephant in the room is that traditional payment mechanisms are not built to support micropayments. They're simply too expensive and too onerous. Now, imagine a world where sending any amount, could be 50 cents, $1, $10, is as easy as sending a message, as easy and as cheap as sending a message. This is exactly what we've done at Mandla Money. We've built a WhatsApp wallet that allows for peer-to-peer payments as easily as you would send a message. Organizations and institutions can also make use of this, upload a list of 1,000 or more cell phone numbers, click on pay, and in an instant, the receivers receive funds. All the receiver needs is just a phone number, which becomes their wallet. No need for a bank account and no need for downloading a special wallet app. This is not just talk. This is live on XRPL mainnet. We've done a pilot with over 500 users in over 11 countries and proven the concept. And we're excited to announce that just last week, we've been awarded a VASP license to operate in South Africa. We're ready to scale this concept. We're raising $2 million pre-seed to scale our operations and to scale micropayments across the continent. Will you join us on this journey? My name is Julian Kanjere, and we are building Mandla Money. Thank you.